In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some basic yet powerful functions in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're analyzing data or just getting started with Excel, these tips will enhance your efficiency and help you become more comfortable with the software. First, let's open Excel through Office 365. You'll want to start by logging into your Office account and clicking on the Excel icon. This will redirect you to your Excel workspace in your browser. Once there, find and select your workbook. You'll want to open this workbook in the desktop version of Excel for full functionality. Now let's delve into the sum function, a fundamental tool in Excel that's indispensable for adding up numbers. In one of the cells where you want your sum to appear, start by typing an equal sign, because every formula in Excel begins with it. Immediately following that, type sum, and you'll see the function pop up. Clicking on it allows you to specify which cells you want to add together by selecting them. After you've made your selection, hit enter, and voila, your total is calculated. A handy tip here, as soon as you type the sum formula, Excel often suggests a group of cells for you, making the process even quicker. Once you've got your formula working for one cell, you can simply drag it across other cells to autofill and perform the same operation. Moving on to the average function, the process is very similar. Again, begin by typing the equal sign, followed by average, click on the function, and then select the cells you'd like to average. Press enter to see the result. Like before, you can drag this formula to other cells to populate them with averages efficiently. Autofill is a great time saver and maintains consistency across your data set. Next, the count function. Use this when you need to count the number of entries in a data set. Start with the equal sign, type count, and click to select it. Choose the cells you want to count and press enter. Again, dragging the formula will autofill it across other cells, maintaining systematic precision and saving you time. Lastly, let's look at the if function, particularly useful for decision-making scenarios based on your data. For instance, you might want to determine if a student passes or fails a test. Start with the equal sign and type if. After selecting the function, choose the cell containing the average score. Then format your logical argument, such as typing the greater than or equal to sign, followed by 85, and then include pass or fail next to corresponding commas. Hit enter to apply this logic. Just like the previous functions, drag the formula across other relevant cells to autofill and apply the same criteria across your data set. Remember, mastering these functions can significantly enhance your productivity and the accuracy of your data analysis. Practice using these functions to become more proficient, and you'll find yourself navigating Excel like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling.